Thank you for coming. My name is Vova Mazur. It's the walkthrough of the sample Power BI dashboard prepared by me in July 2024 based on the AdventureWorks Open Dataset 2020. Key technical comments. Fiscal year doesn't coincide with the calendar year. It's from July to June. DAX explicit measures are used, including time intelligence measures. Custom and conditional formatting is used for some measures. Second date table is used to visualize year-to-date data while selecting only single month slicer. Power BI AI visuals are used. Slicers and bookmarks are used for interactivity and navigation. Drill-through reports are used for some hierarchies. A custom color scheme is applied to visuals. So let's get started. Okay, here we are at the main dashboard page. You can see here, you can select here the years and months. Based on your selections, graphs and numbers are recalculated. The first row of chart of card visuals shows you revenue year-to-date gross margin data, value and growth versus last year, revenue year-to-date value and growth, gross margin dollars, percentages, growth, same for year-to-date. Below visuals show revenue metrics and gross margin metrics based on your selection. So you can switch to any metrics you'd like to see. There are three visuals here: revenue year-to-date by sales territory, which is TreeMap. It shows revenue based on the geo hierarchy. Revenue current months by product category shows revenue for the current months for the respective product category. Revenue year-to-date by channel shows revenue year-to-date by internet or reseller channel. The Power BI feature of cross-highlighting works here. So if you, for example, want to cross-highlight other visuals based on the while selecting the United States, you can see it cross-highlighted. Canada, for example, you see the same. You can do the same for the bikes product category, and other visuals will cross-highlight. And for example, internet selling channel is the smallest channel, so you see the small numbers. This is the largest channel in terms of revenue. Similar analysis you can do for gross margin. You can select internet, reseller. Interestingly to note here that from gross margin perspective, internet channel is the major one, while from revenue perspective, the main channel is reseller channel. Tree map and bar chart here has hierarchies attached to it, so you can drill up to see regions. You can go to the next level of hierarchy to see only countries. So you can drill up or drill down. You can see tooltips showing revenue, gross margin and percentages. You can do the same for product hierarchy. You can drill down and see bikes subcategories. You can drill up. what is available here, if you want to see more details by territory and product, there is a drill through report prepared for that. You click it, go here. Here you can see revenue, gross margin in dollars, gross margin percentages split by product subcategories. You can use cross filtering functionality here as well. You can drill down, drill up base through the product hierarchy. Let's go back to the main page. Same similar drill through report is available to see details by product and color. You can see similar logic, revenue, GM in dollars, GM in percentages. The product hierarchy is in rows, colors in columns. You can go up and down through the product hierarchy as you wish. Cross highlight if needed and so on. Let's go back to the main page. Yeah, this is all about the main page. Let's move on. Second page shows the client's statistics for the two selling channel, reseller and internet. Year-to-date client statistics plus top 10 resellers clients by GM year-to-date. You can sort by any column, whatever you like. You see only top 10 clients for this segment. And for the internet, you can see top 10 clients as well. And year-to-date statistic is updated. Periods are those shown here or selected here, are synced with the main page. So whatever you choose at the main page is selected here, but you can adjust that as well to see whatever you like. So October month shows year-to-date statistic from, in our case, from July to October, and it shows statistic for the internet channel. So you can switch to the reseller channel and see the statistic there as well. Let's move on. Here is the seasonality graphs showing revenue seasonality by month, day of week for the 3 fiscal years. Which those 3 fiscal years exist in our data sets. Yeah, so to select the different analysis, you need to click respective button by month, by day of month, by day of week. Pretty there is no there is some sort of quarterly based statistic, but seasonality, but nothing specific. But overall, its seasonality seasonality analysis is good for seasonal products. Let's move on. Here is a gross margin details page showing the gross margin details for the respective selling channel and product hierarchy. You can go up and down, drill up or drill down through the hierarchy, whatever you like. In columns, you will see revenue details, current months, selected months, of course, revenue year to date for selected months, and gross margin analysis in more details. Same here for the slicers. They are synced with the main page, but you can adjust them here. This is nice nice interesting analysis. This is Power BI key influencer visual. It shows the significant deviation from the average gross margin value explained by different factors. Power BI artificial intelligence algorithm does an anomaly detection analysis and shows the results here. So you can select respective fiscal year, but currently 2019 is selected. So what's interesting here is that subcategory mountain bikes has significantly higher gross margin on average versus other subcategories. Or for example, if you choose the analysis by channel, you can see that internet channel has much higher gross margin on average than reseller channel. Overall, it's interesting analysis. It helps you to do self-exploration and self-anomaly detection, I would say, and find some insights which are not visible through standard tables and KPIs and metrics usually shown on dashboards. So it's a nice tool for both for data analysis or dashboard or report user. Let's move on. This last page is Q&A visual. It's also AI powered visual. If you don't want to wait the answer from your data analyst and need instant replies, you can try this visual. You can type your answer question in a natural language here, and the algorithm will summarize the data and show it in the appropriate visual to you based on the data set, based on the data in the data set or your data model. So here you can see I've typed revenue breakdown by product subcategory in fiscal year 2018, and it shows me this nice bar chart. So we can tweak it a little bit and ask for same analysis but for 2019, and the bar chart is updated. 2020 the bar chart is updated as well. You can pin this newly created visual to the dashboard or export it. So you can do the same as for other types of visuals, basically. Very interesting for self-exploration and self-analysis, or when you need immediate replies to simple questions. Go back to the main page. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for now. Have a good day.